Hello everyone, here we have a layout which is 94 feet by 50 feet which contains 3 cells, cell 1 and cell 2 and cell 3. And the first cell we have the dunnage converter robot column, and the second cell we have the robot station column, and the third cell we have the robot column, dunnage converter and the pellets. In the first cell the material will be placed on the main conveyor from the dunnage conveyor by the robot, and it will travel to the second cell, and the robot will pick up the material from the main conveyor and put it on station 1, and it will be worked out, and from the second station, which is station 2, it will be picked up from the robot and it will be placed to the main conveyor and travel to the third cell. The robot will pick up the final object from the main conveyor and it will place to the pallets. Here we have HMI. I placed it in the middle so the worker in any cell can reach to any unit easily. And here we have the electrical cabin, and the distance between each cell is 8.5, as you can see, and the dimension for each cell is 18.50 long and 18 feet wide.